Hello, my dear art friends. This November, we'll paint our way into the holiday season together with the cozy watercolor painting challenge, and it starts on a special day, my birthday. So this November 13th, I'm launching 12 days of Christmas painting challenge. We will paint different Christmas-inspired cards with a very interesting and beautiful classical motifs, starting from snowman, nutcracker, to red car with Christmas tree. Each day you'll get a free full tutorial right here on YouTube. Perfect for everyone who wants to slow down, enjoy the process, and create something truly heartfelt this season. And for those of you who would love a little extra magic, my Patreon members will get access to all the line drawings, references of my results, color mixes, palette notes, extra recommendation about the process, and a cozy corner in our creative community. I will show you what you can prepare before challenge. I will be using watercolor paper, and I will be folding it in half to make card. Ceramic palette for mixing watercolors. Tools like brushes. I'm picking different brushes: round synthetic brush, fine tip brush, and flat brush. Erasers. I have pencil type eraser, simple eraser, ink marker, pencil for sketches, elastic eraser to remove excess amount of graphite, watercolors. I will also be using Ferris Wheel inks. They are sparkly ones, very beautiful. I haven't tried them before, so this will be first time. This ink has sparkles, perfect for Christmas. And another one. This is also with sparkles, and I think beautiful addition also to festive lettering, writing. So this is something that I will be using as well. I also have bleed proof white. This is maybe something for some additional details when painted already with watercolors and you need to add white spots or texture. So this is perfect. Also can be white gouache. And to make all your experience extra special, you add to your table some festive motifs, switch on your favorite playlist, Christmas ornaments, everything that will get you in the mood. I've always believed that art is one of the most beautiful ways to celebrate life. This challenge isn't just about painting cards, it's about slowing down, reconnecting with your creativity, and bringing warmth and love into your holiday season. So mark your calendars. November 13th, we are starting this challenge. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss your daily tutorials, or all email subscribers will get daily emails with all the information for this challenge. I can't wait to paint this magical season together with you. These challenges are the best way to connect with like-minded people and keep yourself creative. And remember, it's not about perfection. It's about coming together, creating something beautiful, meaningful for you and your loved ones.